now that I'm in Classroom, there's quite a lot that I can do, and so I'm going to just show you on a class that I've already got quite a few iPads on. So it'll show you these iPads are off at the moment, so only 3 of them are currently running, and they're running Mathletics, and Leoborna is open on her home screen. From here, I can do a number of things. So I can AirPlay a screen from a student iPad to show it over here. And so Leoborna's is actually AirPlaying at the moment. I'm going to switch her AirPlay off. Okay. And I can also see, if I toggle here at the top, I can see screens. And so there's Leoborna's iPad that I'm using at the moment. And as I move on her iPad, I can actually see what she's doing over here. So if she goes into Safari, then it'll open up on my computer, and I can see exactly what she's doing in real time. If I click back to show all, I can see everyone's screens again. It will also sort people nicely according to what apps they have open over here. There are a number of other cool features that I can do. So for example, I can go here to Safari, and I can open a specific app if I've got it saved as a favorite. I mean, not an app, sorry, a link to a specific website. And I can also lock all of the iPads, which means that now they can do nothing with the iPad. The learner screen shows a sign that says this iPad has been locked by Mrs. Swano, and they cannot access anything on their iPad. Click the unlock button again, and they're back. And the last thing that I just want to show you is the option to open an app on the iPad. So here it lists all the apps that the students have on their iPad. And the one that I use frequently is Mathletics. So I'm going to open Mathletics on all of their iPads. But here's the special key feature. I can now lock in app after opening, meaning that once I've opened this on the student's iPad, they will not be able to do anything else. It doesn't matter what they try. So I'm actually going to show you what it looks like on Leoborna's iPad at the same time. So here's Leoborna's iPad. And here I'm going to click on Open Mathletics. And I'm going to click Lock in App after opening. And I click Open. It does take a minute or two. But you can see I'm not touching Leoborna's iPad at all. But her iPad definitely has Mathletics on it now. And you might just have to take my word for it, but I'm pressing the home button on her iPad. I'm doing all sorts of other things. I can't get out of Mathletics. So I'm stuck in here, no matter what I do. I can't even bring on the side screen that sometimes the learners use over here if they want to split screen the iPad. I cannot do anything except Mathletics. If I want to open it up for the learners again so that they're able to do other things, I just click this unlock button over here. And all their iPads will unlock. It does take a moment or two. And then done, and now Leoborna is able to go out of Mathletics if she wants to. And immediately I can see that she's on her home screen while everyone else is open in Mathletics. If I click End Class, it will give me a summary of what students did. I can even go in and see Leoborna had 2 apps open. She was in Mathletics for 49 seconds and she was in Safari for 39 seconds. So there's like a history of what they've done. So if they say, but ma'am, then you can say, but I have evidence. So that's it. Good luck. Enjoy. Of course, this is all available on your iPad as well, but it is so much easier to use it from the MacBook. Cheers.